Nature and our community have always been through a power struggle to rise to the top. Right now, nature is on the losing side. So in this short video clip, we have footage on some of nature's beauties, complementing our modern society. As a whole, we need nature, and not only just to look at. Without nature, we would not exist as we do today. While mountains are usually less able to uphold human civilization, they are great for recreational sports, such as backpacking, mountain climbing, and snowboarding. Most of the world's rivers come from mountain sources, and even then, more than half of humanity depends on mountains for water. Rivers help quench our need of thirst. Most of the riverbeds are made of fresh water, which comes from rain. Rivers help us by providing hydroelectricity. Trees, along with other plants, provide our oxygen, as well as homes for small creatures and even some building supplies. Trees, for a long time, were our main source of house supplies, including interior and foundation. Here, trees make available different varieties of fruits and accent foods. Clouds are formed by precipitation, which in turn gives us our rain. Otherwise, they can also provide great sunsets and opportunities for sightseeing. The shape of nature is in our hands. Take care to mold it wisely.